There's Claude, Claude Cowork, and Claude Code. What is the difference? How should you best use each one? Let's break it down. Be sure to bookmark for later. All right, so the first tool that 99% of people that use Claude actually use is just Claude, Claude.ai. This is the chat interface. This is the one that most people start with. It's going to be great for writing, researching, brainstorming, and answering questions you have about anything. Think of it like a really smart assistant that you can talk to 24/7. But here's the thing, it can't actually do things in other apps for you. You are still the middleman for everything, which is why these other two versions of Claude that Anthropic made are incredibly powerful. So Anthropic's second tool is Claude Code. This one lives in your terminal, which is essentially the brain of your computer. This means they can read your entire code base, can write and ship actual code for you. So obviously, if you're a developer, this is absolutely nuts. But if you don't write code, this can still be incredibly powerful. I use it every single day. For example, I build a lot of content ideation machines that use Claude Code to go out, they scrape Reddit, they scrape X, and then they mine all of that data for content ideas in my niche. That's just one application of it, but it is incredibly powerful once you get to know it and once you're comfortable working out of the terminal. The third Claude tool that is hiding in the desktop app that not many people know about is Claude Cowork. Think of it like Claude with hands. Instead of just answering your questions, it actually has access to all of your apps, which means that it can go and do anything you want for you. You can have access to Gmail, Google Drive, Sheets, PowerPoint, Slack, and with this access, it can take real actions for you. So say that you need to organize a messy Google Drive folder, that you need to build a weekly report from a spreadsheet you have, or you're organizing files on your computer, you need to batch rename hundreds of files. Cowork just does it. You tell it what to do, and it's gonna go and do it. And you literally don't have to touch a thing. So that's all three Claude tools. Claude Chat is for thinking and writing. Claude Code, while it's really useful for developers, can also be used and be incredibly powerful for the everyday person. And then Claude Cowork is for everyone else who's drowning in repetitive work across all these different apps, which is probably like 99% of the people watching this. You only need one subscription for all of them. If you want to learn how to best leverage Claude Code and Claude Cowork, and if you want access to a growing Claude skills directory, we teach you guys exactly this and arm you with everyday templates and workflows that you can go use to boost your productivity in my school community. Link in bio, we'd love to see you guys in there.